There's mommy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play. Trick or treat, give us something sweet. Candy.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
Okay guys, today we're back with another great video. We've got some more Home Depot videos to make for you. It is the Trickster Trio Stack Clowns that they just came out with this year. So we think this is going to be awesome. We've seen it at the stores, a couple of them, and they look pretty cool. So it's going to go great with our circus setup that we have outside. We've got, I don't know, probably what, 4 or 5 different clowns that we've got out there. We've got it. We got some from Lowe's, and I don't think we have any from Home Depot. I don't think, did we?
I think
but
this
we
is
do
the first
have.
clown.
But we did get the new Spirit Halloween clown that tracks when he looks at you and stuff.
Nibbles.
Nibbles, that's right. He'll be going out there with us for that setup, and we'll do a video of just the clown setup because we'll probably get that out early. It's going to be in the backyard. We don't really have any grass. It's all gravel set up and gazebo, so it'll be great. So with that being said, let's get to it, and we'll show you what this, and we'll get it put together and show you what it does and what it looks like.
I love them. I have to do a wider view because it doesn't look like you are catching all of them.
Yeah, they're big.
Well, here, I wonder if I can just do this. And I don't know if that'll... Yeah, that gets them. That all the way down.
It's the perfect night for some serious wax. And Candy, both of you quiet down. Don't make me whack you again. We need to find some trick-or-treaters and steal their delicious candy.
There you go, guys. That's pretty slick. We knew we liked him.
Like I said, the sensor is right down here on the lower guy.
Yeah, I think that's cool as heck with them being able to, like, one talking and the other one's talking and stuff. That's pretty cool.
Can you spin his mallet? Should be facing the other way. Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there you go.
So I'm going to try
Second
to...
little delay.
Your phone is smart. So why are you?
I like them. I think they're super cute. Look.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so.
It's the perfect night.
Just turn him down.
Serious wax.
They just wanting to steal the show and talk tonight, evidently. So, that's all we got. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them in the down below, and Jen or I will get back with you as quick as possible. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we really appreciate you tuning in and watching our channel.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
And we'll keep bringing you great content. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.